Kodiak Konvoy is a powerful, rechargeable headlamp designed to provide wide-beam, hands-free lighting for work, outdoor activities, and nighttime visibility. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Konvoy headlamp and a USB-C charging cable. Open the battery compartment to access the charging port. A red light on the battery itself will indicate charging is in progress. While in use, the headlamp will indicate battery percentage via the blue lights on the battery cover. The Konvoy's form lends itself well to a variety of environments, thanks in part to its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing less than 1/10 of a pound, the headlamp is IPX4 weather-resistant and has been drop-tested at 1 meter. Operation is simple and intuitive thanks to dedicated controls for manual and motion-activated use. The standard power button allows you to cycle through the Konvoy's 3 white lighting modes: high, medium, and low. With motion activation enabled, simply wave your hand in front of the sensor to the left of the headlamp to turn the light on or off. A single press of the motion sensor button will toggle between your lighting modes. Lastly, a rear-facing red light turns on with a single button press. The light fades from bright to dim repeatedly and can be turned off with another single button press. The rechargeable battery inside the Konvoy can be removed and replaced with 3 AAA batteries whenever charging is unavailable. With AAA batteries installed, you can toggle between the 3 light modes the same way as before, just with a little less power.